Imagine it is the year 1280. You are one of the few people in the world who can read and write. You've spent decades mastering philosophy, science, or theology. But then, you hit 40. The letters on the parchment begin to blur. The lines dance. To the medieval mind, this wasn't just aging, it was a professional death sentence. For centuries, the world's greatest minds were forced into intellectual retirement simply because their eyes gave out before their brains did. Knowledge was being lost because the keepers of that knowledge could no longer see it. Then, in 1286, in the heart of northern Italy, likely Pisa or Venice, everything changed. While the exact inventor remains a mystery shrouded in history, we know the moment it happened. Artisans in Italian glassworks, famous for their mastery of crystal and mirrors, discovered something revolutionary. By grinding convex lenses and joining two of them together with a hinge, they created the occhiali. It was the birth of the first wearable technology. These weren't the sleek frames we wear today. They were heavy, made of wood, lead, or bone, and they pinched the bridge of your nose. But they did something miraculous. They bent light. They gave the elderly back their sight. We often call the printing press the greatest tool for literacy, but Gutenberg's press wouldn't arrive for another 150 years. Without eyeglasses, the market for books might never have exploded. Think about it. Why buy an expensive book if you won't be able to read it past middle age? Eyeglasses were the literacy savior of the Middle Ages. They allowed seasoned scholars, experienced doctors, and master craftsmen to continue working well into their 60s and 70s. This extension of productivity triggered an intellectual boom. It meant that experience no longer had an expiration date. At first, these were status symbols, the iPhone of the 13th century. If you wore glasses, it signaled to the world that you were wealthy, educated, and literate. But as the technology spread from Italy to the rest of Europe and Asia, the designs evolved. We moved from handheld lenses to rivet spectacles, then to leather loops that hooked over the ears, and eventually to the refined frames we recognize today. Today, we are moving toward augmented reality and smart lenses that overlay data onto our vision. But all of it, every pixel in your VR headset and every coating on your blue light glasses, traces its DNA back to a dusty workshop in 13th century Italy. The invention of eyeglasses proved that humans don't have to accept the limitations of biology. We can engineer our way to a better version of ourselves. So, the next time you put on your glasses or pop in your contacts, remember, you're wearing the invention that saved the world's wisdom from fading into the shadows. Subscribe to the Don Gohan channel to update your knowledge about tech evolution. See you in the next video.